So this video is to cover how to actually do equity method of accounting. So in January 2014, this is exercise 7 from your book, Domingo acquired 20% of the outstanding common stock of Martis, Inc. for $700,000. The investment gave them the ability to exercise significant influence over Martis. The assets on the date were recorded at $390,000, liabilities $900,000. Any excess over book value of the investment was attributed to a patent having a useful life of 10 years. Also in 2014, they reported net income of $170,000. In 15, they reported net income of $210,000. Dividends were $70,000 for each year. What is the investment balance at the end of 2015? So, the very first thing I do is write down given information. Given. So, I have ownership percentage. %20. So they own 20%. Cost $700,000. I always format this because I add extra zeros by accident. And then we have assets, $3,900,000. And we have liabilities of $900,000. No, I can't pick the numbers here. And Martis income. How should I do this? Income, dividends. Okay, so 2014, they had $170,000 and $210,000. In 2015, they had income of $210,000, and then they had dividends of $70,000. Okay, so now what I've done is I've put down in Excel the given information. What I meant to do is just center this. Okay, so now I've put down the given information. So now, the very first thing that we are going to do is figure out step 1. Calculate purchase price. So, the purchase price is the cost or what you paid for it. So, purchase price. We get this from the $700,000. Step 2. Calculate book value of subsidiary or of Martis. So assets minus liabilities equals equity or book value. So here we go. We're going to have assets which is $3.9 million less liabilities I'll put a negative sign here because we're going to subtract equals book value. So the book value is 3 million. Then we are going to multiply book value by ownership percentage. Book value, our ownership percentage is 20%. So the book value of the shares that we purchased is 600,000. Step 3, we're going to calculate excess. So we take purchase price, which is 700,000, less book value, of shares purchased, equals excess. So we now have what we paid over the book value. And that came up to 100,000. And the problem, it says any excess over cost of book value of the investment is attributed to a patent having a 10-year life. So we're going to allocate step 4, allocate excess. And it's all going to a patent. Step 5, we are going to calculate amortization per year. So we have a patent, useful life, 10 years, amortization per year equals 100,000 divided by the 10 years, or $10,000 per year. So, step 6, calculate investment balance. So we take the purchase price, or year-end so in this case, the purchase price or the prior year end. So purchase price. We plus share of income. So our share of income I'm actually going to add a little column here. So share, and we're just going to multiply the income by the 20%. Multiply this by 20%. Same thing with dividends. We're going to multiply this by 20%. We're going to multiply this. Okay, so this is our share of income, share of dividends. So, plus income. So we're going to call this 2014. So plus our share of income less amortization. amortization, which is $10,000 per year, less dividends, minus equals ending investment balance. And now we're just going to add these all up. And then for 2015, it's prior year ending balance, which was 710. And the formula is the same. So I'm just going to copy this. Plus our share of income, less amortization per year, less dividends per year. And we're going to add this all up. So the answer to this is 728,000 is our ending balance as of December 31st, 2015. Now we're going to try another equity problem to kind of reinforce this. On January 3rd, 2015, Madison Corporation acquired 40% of outstanding common stock of O'Toole Company for $1,160,000. So the acquisition gave them the ability to exercise significant influence. The book value of the shares was $820,000. Excess over cost was assigned to copyright, which was undervalued. The copyright has a remaining useful life of 10 years. Okay, so given we have purchase price of 1160,123. Then we have ownership percentage, which is 40%. We have book value of O'Toole is 820,000. Patent useful life 10 years, and then we have O'Toole. This is O'Toole. So we're going to have their income, share of income, dividends, share of dividends, and then it's back so I can read this. Okay, so 2014, and then we have 2015. The income for 2015, actually they only have 2015, was 260,000 and cash dividends of 50,000. So how we figure our share is ownership percentage times the income, and then ownership percentage times the dividends. Okay, step 1, calculate purchase price. Sometimes we have to calculate it and sometimes it's given. Alright, our purchase price is 1,160,000. Step 2, calculate book value of O'Toole. We don't have to calculate this time. Book equals 820,000. Share of book value equals ownership book value. And then we take our ownership percentage. And we multiply these. And so 328,000. Oh, actually, we don't even have to multiply. They told us that the book value of the shares that we purchased. So we didn't even have to do those steps. The book value of the shares that we purchased was 820,000. So now we're going to calculate the difference. And this is the purchase price less book value of shares. So the excess is 340,000. It's all contributed to a copyright. This wasn't a patent, this was copyright. So the copyright. So now, step 4, calculate amortization per year. Excess. Actually, step 4 was to allocate excess copyright. There could be more items that we're allocating this to. Step 5. Is to calculate amortization per year, and it's useful life so the amortization per year is 34,000. And now we are going to calculate investment balance. So purchase price plus income, which is 104, less amortization less dividends. Equals ending investment balance. And we're just going to add these all up. So at the end of 2015, they are going to report an investment balance of 1,210,000. This is an overview of how to calculate investment balance and account for the equity method.